To connect to Bluetooth, open the application, make sure the Vieunite application is up to date. Go to Devices, click on Pair, find the Bluetooth device that you're looking for. So as you can see, text drawer is here and it ends in 999. You can also find the serial number down here. Once it's found the Bluetooth device, press Next, and then this will allow you to connect to the Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi network, input the password, then press Confirm. This will then establish a handshake between the CAN bus and the Wi-Fi network, and this then should show up as a device, and it has paired successfully. This is when you can upload your artwork, change the CAN bus name, change all the settings and everything you desire. Just to demonstrate some artwork, now that the screen has successfully paired, the Bluetooth method of pairing is slightly different to the QR code method. This is the latest update, so it's slightly different. This is more of a plan A now, because it's a much easier way to do so. QR code still exists for the previous firmware. If you're online, drop us a message by email and we'll be able to update it for you remotely.